Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Lunchhaze is probably one of the most anticipated and sought-after items in the world of portable personal humidifiers, offering a unique blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design that promises to elevate your personal environment wherever you go. This innovative device is engineered to deliver a consistent and customizable mist, ensuring optimal humidity levels for your comfort and well-being, whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling. Number 5. THAYERS Alcohol-Free Rose Petal Witch Hazel Facial Toner. Discover the power of nature with our iconic facial toner. It's crafted to be gentle on your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and balanced. Experience the calming embrace of real rose petals. This unique ingredient helps to soothe and hydrate your complexion, making it feel soft and supple. Our toner is completely alcohol-free, ensuring it won't strip your skin of its natural moisture. Enjoy a comfortable and non-drying experience every time you use it. Whether your skin is oily, dry, or combination, this toner is designed for you. It works harmoniously with all skin types to promote a healthy glow. Achieve a radiant complexion with its hydrating and refreshing properties. It preps your skin perfectly for the rest of your skincare routine. Reveal your skin's natural luminosity. This toner helps to enhance your skin's appearance, leaving it looking healthy and revitalized. What we like. If you're looking for a gentle, refreshing way to prep your skin, this is it. It offers a calming and hydrating experience without harsh alcohol. For those with sensitive skin or anyone who enjoys a dewy, refreshed complexion, this toner is a wonderful choice. What people say. The formula feels gentle and effective, and I really appreciate that it's alcohol-free and fragrance-free. It smells good without being overpowering and does a great job of helping control excessive oil buildup on my face. Nothing harsh, nothing drying, just clean and refreshed skin. The toner's prowess in cleansing is unparalleled. It effortlessly removes dirt and impurities, unveiling a refreshed and squeaky clean complexion. Number 4. FORABEST 80W Electric Lunchbox. Designed for your busy days, this portable electric lunchbox warms your food in about 15 to 20 minutes. Enjoy a dependable heating lunchbox that helps you skip cold meals and power through your day. Ideal for work, it supports 12V 24V car and truck outlets, as well as 110V 220V home and office sockets. With universal voltage compatibility, it's ready for worldwide use, providing reliable heating wherever life takes you. This electric heated lunchbox delivers steady 80W power to warm meals evenly. Crafted with durable, food-grade materials, it offers a practical self-heating solution built for everyday performance. It features a 1.5L stainless steel container, a leak-proof lid, utensils, and an insulated carry bag. This set is easy to clean and built for everyday use. This electric lunchbox helps you enjoy home-style meals anywhere, making workdays more comfortable and every lunch break more satisfying. It's a tool made for real life. What we like. If you're tired of cold lunches and need a reliable way to heat your meals on the go, this is your solution. It works in your car, at the office, or anywhere with a power outlet. For busy professionals, truck drivers, or anyone who wants a warm, home-cooked meal away from home, this heated lunchbox is ideal. What people say. The Lunchhaze is a game-changer for meal prep. Its innovative design allows for easy portion control and keeps food fresh for days. I love the versatility of the Lunchhaze. It can be used for both hot and cold meals, and the leak-proof compartments are a lifesaver for my commute. The quality of the Lunchhaze is outstanding. The materials are durable and BPA-free, ensuring safe and healthy meals on the go. Number 3. Frida Mom Labor and Postpartum Kit. Introducing the Frida Mom Labor and Postpartum Kit, designed for new mothers. This comprehensive set supports you through labor and the postpartum recovery period. It includes essential items like a peri bottle, nursing gown, and disposable underwear. You'll also find ice maxi pads, pad liners, and perineal foam for comfort. We've also included cozy socks and a handy toiletry bag. Everything is thoughtfully curated to make your recovery as comfortable as possible. This kit makes a wonderful gift for any baby shower or for a mom-to-be. It's the perfect way to show you care and prepare her for motherhood. Trust Frida Mom to provide the support you need during this special time. This kit ensures you have everything at your fingertips for a smoother transition into motherhood. What we like. If you know someone preparing for labor and postpartum recovery, this kit is an incredibly thoughtful and practical gift. It covers all the essential needs for comfort and healing during a crucial time. For new moms or moms-to-be, this comprehensive set ensures they have what they need for a smoother recovery. What people say. The Lunchhaze is a versatile lunchbox with multiple compartments, allowing for organized food storage. Its leak-proof design ensures that liquids and sauces do not spill, making it ideal for carrying meals on the go. The durable construction of the Lunchhaze guarantees long-lasting use, even with daily wear and tear. Number 2. FVW Electric Lunchbox Food Heater. Introducing the 3-in-1 electric lunchbox, your solution for hot meals anywhere. Simply plug it in at home, in the office, or even in your car, and enjoy a warm meal. Utilizing advanced PTC heating technology, it maintains your food at the perfect temperature between 60 degrees Celsius and 70 degrees Celsius. It warms your meals efficiently in just 20 to 30 minutes, preserving moisture and flavor. Worry no more about spills. This lunchbox features an improved, tightly sealed cover and a leak-proof design, ensuring no mess even in a sloshing car. Cleaning is a breeze with its removable stainless steel tray. It's designed for convenience with a built-in utensil tray and an anti-scalding handle, making it easy to carry. This package includes everything you need: the electric lunchbox, insulated carry bag, power cords for home and vehicle use, and stainless steel utensils. Enjoy a 1.5L capacity for your meals. What we like. If you need a versatile and reliable way to heat your meals at home, in the office, or in your vehicle, this is a fantastic option. Its improved leak-proof design means no more messy spills. If you prioritize safety, efficiency, and the convenience of a hot meal wherever you are, this electric lunchbox is a great pick. What people say. An electric lunchbox is an innovative and convenient option for those who want to enjoy hot food at work, school, or during long trips. The electric lunchbox is compact and easy to transport. Thanks to its practical design, you can take it to the office, the gym, or even on long trips without worry. Using a regular wall outlet, it went from frozen to hot in about 30 minutes, which honestly blew my mind for something this simple. Number 1. Carhartt Worksite Lunchbox. This cooler is tough and durable, designed to withstand the rigors of the outdoors. It's perfect for camping trips, work sites, or any rugged environment. This insulated lunchbox offers convenience on the go, perfect for outdoor adventures. With sturdy handles, it's a must-have addition to your gear. This large lunchbox offers ample space to hold your food and drinks, keeping everything fresh for long workdays or outdoor adventures. Designed to keep your food fresh, it features dual compartments to keep your items organized and separated. It ensures your lunch stays at the right temperature all day. A tough exterior and functional interior come together, offering durability without compromising on style. It's built for everyday use and is as dependable as you are. What we like. If you need a lunchbox that can handle tough conditions and keep your food fresh all day, this is the one. Its robust construction is perfect for demanding environments. For construction workers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who needs a dependable cooler that's built to last, this Worksite lunchbox is a solid choice. What people say. The quality is exactly what you'd expect from Carhartt: sturdy, durable materials that feel like they'll hold up well over time. The bag has a nice amount of space and easily fits drinks, lunch containers, and snacks. The insulation works well to keep items cold, and the zipper and handles feel strong and well constructed. It keeps my lunch cold all day with just a small single ice pack. I am able to fit multiple drinks in it along with my food. It's also super easy to clean, just wipe it out with a wet paper towel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.